Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. I know it has been over 6 months, half a year since I have last spoken to you, since I have published any kind of videos on this channel. If this is your first time being here, my name is Shifa, originally from Indonesia. However, I have traveled since 2013 and have pursued long-term travel in 2016. Of course, 2020 is a very special year for all of us, but to say the least, this is one of the most challenging years so far for my work, my personal life and all. I'm sure that all of us are experiencing the same thing, but I haven't been able to travel because of course, the current situation. But not only that, having an Asian passport makes it even more difficult to see what countries that not only are open in terms of border, but also allow Asian travelers to travel. There are only already very few countries that allows me to travel, but with the passport, being Asian passport, Indonesian passport, it makes it even more difficult and challenging. I am very grateful and yeah, I don't know if the weather stays at all, but it is very cloudy and rainy. I am in Istanbul. I have spent an entire month to try to film and travel around Turkey. The less traveled side of Turkey, specifically on the eastern and southeastern part of the country. And yeah, tomorrow I am leaving the country and hoping to publish a new series in the coming few days or in the next weeks. And I'm hoping that you're doing well with you and your family, whatever that you're doing. Thank you so much for your patience. I actually have been still publishing exclusive content, behind the scene videos, everything there is that happens behind the scene on Patreon account. If you wish to support a creator like me and my work, you can check out the Patreon account and the link in the description below. Other than that, it's getting colder. Nothing much to update really, other than the fact that I am grateful for the opportunity and hoping to be able to share stories I found on the road to showcase what needs to be reminded of before this pandemic has hit us all. So yeah, I hope that you're doing well again. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next series, the new coming series. Bye!